Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do an inverse between 2 points along a straight line and the two different methods you can get to the tool. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got my 3 points laid out in FieldGenius, and I'm going to head to the bottom left corner and I'm going to hit the plumb bob icon, and in the next menu calculations and then inverse. So that brings me to my inverse tool, and you can see here that I have traverse and straight selected as my methods. And what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to select my start point and then my end point. So in this case, 1 and 2. And you can see that I get an arrow going from 1 to 2 with a distance of 10 meters at 90 degrees. And if I hit my little blue info button there on the right, I get all the information for this calculation, including my vertical distance, my delta northeast and height, and I can come back and refer to this at any time. So I'm just going to close out of this menu and show you the second way you can get to your inverse tool. So once I'm back at the map screen here, I'm going to select point 1, and then the resulting toolbar, you can see that there is a ruler there at the bottom left. And I'm going to click it, and you can see it brings up my inverse tool with point 1 selected as my starting point. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to hit my endpoints. In this case, let's do a different calculation. Let's choose point 3. And you can see that I now have a different distance and a different angle, which is to be expected as it's a different calculation. And again, if I hit the info button, I get all the extra information on this calculation. And that's everything for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or reach out to us on our website at bench-mark.ca.